ibig sabihin nito, parang ako, naglalakad ako, 'di ba? Tapos eventually tumigil ako. May inaction ba on my part? Although initially naglalakad ako. I was moving, then eventually I had an inaction. Inaction pa rin yun.
Okay. Okay.
Diba?
But in this case, siguro if it's okay, let me ask, why do you think the 3 impeachment complaints were archived?
Well, tulad nga ng sinabi ko, the 3 impeachment complaints were archived. I don't know. That's the ano eh. Syempre, that's the wisdom of the House of Representatives na I cannot dwell on that one. Pero ang alam ko yung reasoning ng Supreme Court kasi nga sila yung final arbiter of constitutionality of matters.
Yes. Okay. So I don't mind. We can talk about the idea that the Supreme Court is the final arbiter of constitutional matters, right? But the Constitution is still above